Welcome to my kitchen, Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a morning tonic drink that I used to drink every morning, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It is an instant coffee from India, which this is the coffee that I use. It's called Bru Coffee, and you can get them in your own local grocery store. It's on with milk and some sugar. It is very simple, and without using any water, I am going to do it this coffee. So I'm going to show you step by step how am I going to do it. So let's go on to the kitchen. To start off this morning tonic drink, which I would say it's the coffee that we make every morning. Some of you will go to the coffee store to make and all, this is an easy way. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's much more healthier without using any water, where there's a lot of milk comes in, and milk contains a lot of calcium, and we human beings, we all need calcium. So I will start off with turning off the stove into a medium heat, and then I'm going to pour the milk. And let the milk come to a boil. We'll come back later. Hello viewers, now the milk is coming to a boil, as you can see. So I would like to show you how I'm going to start off the coffee as well. And so I'm going to add some of the coffee powder. I only took 1 cup, so I'm going to add approximately about half teaspoon of the coffee powder. If you like it stronger, you can add more, and I am going to add this and give a quick stir. So let it come to a boil, and I'll turn off the stove. The milk is already boiling. I've already added the coffee powder. The aroma smells so divine, and now I'm going to just turn it off, and I'm ready for the coffee. And I'll come with you, show you how the coffee and how the sugars are all going to be added. And here my coffee is ready, so I'm going to pour it into the mug. And I'm going to add some sugar. You may be wondering why the sugar is brown. This is the cane sugar in a brown version. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. And mix it, and sugar as it is according to your taste. And voila, this is the coffee that I used to make every morning. Try it and enjoy yourself every morning. Instead of using water to brew and all, this is another way of doing it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, share, and pass the word around. Thank you. See you in the next video.